Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen and today's video on Python language. And today I will explain some of the examples on Python code like dictionary, like nested tuple and also string. So go to the computer screen through Python IDE. I will describe today's example step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE and here I will describe some of the examples in Python, right? So the first problem is that write a Python program for row-wise element addition in tuple matrix. Okay, so how to solve this problem I will describe step by step. Okay, so at first we take a nested tuple, so t underscore m, and just put the nested tuple. The innermost tuple first elements are 1 2 3, second one suppose 4 5 6, and last one suppose 7 8 9. Close the innermost and close the outermost tuple. Okay, and then suppose we define a list r underscore s and put a empty list. Okay, now use the for loop for r in, just write the nested tuple t underscore m, put a colon, and now we are appending, right? So in that case we just write r underscore s dot append and then just sum it all the rows element value, so just write sum and just send the argument the r. Okay, and then we take another for loop for and just write r in t underscore m and just print all the r value, means all the rows element value. Okay, and at last we print the result, just write print and then just write row wise sum equal and then put double quote end comma, and again we convert it again into a tuple, so just write tuple constructor and send the argument r underscore s, means we are convert the list again into a tuple. We already create the file name example underscore 1.py, just save it, and if we run using F5, so we got at first the row wise tuple elements and then each and every row wise tuple elements total sum. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15, and 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24, right? I hope you have understood this problem. Now go for the second problem in Python code. What it is? Write a program to count the number of character, means character frequency in a string. Suppose technical arquen is the string. Okay, so how we can do it? Just write the code step by step. Okay, so at first we take a string str and the string is technical arquen, which is my channel name. Okay, and then we take a dictionary equal brace open close. We at first define a empty dictionary, then we take a for loop and just write for c in str and then just check at first if c in f underscore c, okay, means the dictionary. Now you just write f underscore c and as a key value is c. If it is there, then plus equal 1, means it will counting how many times occurred, means frequency of the character it will count. Else if there is only single character for a string is concerned, just write f underscore c as a key value equal 1. So for my string is concerned, capital T is 1 but capital A is 2, small n is 2, small c is 2, in that way is given. Okay, now if we print the dictionary with key value pair in that format, so this character how many time occur given, this character how many time occur, in that way is given in a key value pair. Okay, just write f underscore c. If we save it, So you already save within the file example_1.py, just run it, press F5. So we got the dictionary. T is 1, E is 1, C is 2, H is 1, small n is 2, I is 1, small a 1, L is 1, capital A is 2, in that is given according to my string is concerned, right? I hope you have understood the second example, how to find out the occurrence of any character present within a string, right? Now go for the third example, right? Now the third example, what is given? Take a string information technology and write a Python code to do the following. Find the letter small n from the given string, split the string at every occurrence of the letter small o, check if the string is palindromic or not, count the occurrence to letter n in the string, and from a new string by appending the string platform at the end of the given string. Okay, so in that way the problem is given. So how do we solve? Just write the code here. So at first we take a string variable str and just write here information technology, right? And now at first we take p underscore n. This is a variable where we find out the n where it occur within the string information technology, small n. So just write str dot find, and within single quote just write small n, right? And then if we print index of small n is, put a colon in the double quote, comma, and just write p underscore n. So p underscore n will store the index number where the n occurred at first within the string information technology, right? Now we take another variable s underscore s, and within that we split the string where the small o occurred. So just write here str dot split and send the argument as in a single quote small o, right? It should be s underscore s. Okay, and now if you print it, so just write print and just write here split string at o, put a colon, double quote end, comma, and just write the variable name s underscore s. Okay, now the third one, what the third one? Check if the string is palindromic or not. So in that case we take another variable is underscore p and just write here within parentheses str equal str within square bracket colon colon -1, means we are reversing and checked the original string and the reverse string are the same or not. If it is same, we can say it's a palindromic, then it stored as true. It not, so it stored false. Okay, so then we print again. What we print, just write is palindromic, put a colon and comma, and then just write the variable name is underscore p, bracket close, parenthesis close, enter. And now from a new string by appending the string platform at the end of the given string, means information technology platform, it should be like that. Okay, so in that case we take n underscore s, a variable, and then we take at first str plus, we are appending, and just write within double quote, put a space and just write platform. It's look like information space technology space platform, double quote end, and then if you print simple new string, put a colon, double quote end, comma, n underscore s. If you save it, same file name example_1.py, press F5 to run it. Yes, we got index of n is number 1, just checked. Yes, 0 1 position is given in first occurrence. Split string inf, because info info, so that's why just split it. Then rmation, so that's a split. Then n space techn is another row, technology, in that way it's splitting. Okay, third one is palindromic. No, it's not palindromic. Why? Because in that case it's not palindromic is given, so false, because if we reverse the string information technology, it can't, the same word, that's why it's a false. And new string is information technology platform, just happen into there. Now the another problem is there. Now we can do it here. Count the occurrence of the letter N. Okay, so if we do it after the palindromic operation, so here we take another variable c underscore n and just count function str dot count, which one the is a n, how many times occur within this particular string. So print number of occurrences of small n and put a colon, double quotient, comma, and then just write c underscore n. Okay, save it, run it. So yes, number of occurrences is 3, just checked, 1, 2, 3, right? I hope you have understood today's 3 different examples which I am using here in Python language. One is a dictionary, other is a nested tuple, and that is use of different functions present in string, right? I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Archive for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.